Hello dear students, today we are going to have one experiment, two transparent glasses we are taking, hot water, cold water and ujala. So hot water we have filled in this glass, and in the second glass we can fill the cold water, and now we can add few drops of ujala in hot water. Mix it well. Now invert cold water on hot water with the thick piece of paper and see what will happen. You can see the thick paper is being removed, and you will see immediately the hot water has gone to the second glass, means the hot water is rising up. So the mixture, whole of the water is getting blue. Now again repeating the experiment, cold water in first glass, hot water in second glass. And now we are going to add ujala in cold water, and we will invert hot water on cold water with the help of thick piece of paper again, and we'll see whether the cold water is also rising up or not. That we have to see. Let us see what will happen when we will remove this thick piece of paper. So you can see here there is no movement of cold water. So cold water is not rising up. So but in the first case, hot water was rising up, but cold water is not rising up. So you can see there is no mixing of the waters. Now again repeating the experiments. Here in this we have put hot water, and second glass cold water. And now mix some ujala in hot water. Here again we will invert hot water on cold water with the same thick piece of paper. A few drops they have gone in clear water. But now let us see whether the further flow of liquid is taking place. No, cold water again is not rising up. So this explanation, this experiment is showing convection. When the water is hot, it will rise up. But when the water is cold, it will not rise up. Hot water will remain at the uppermost side and cold water will remain at the bottom. So convection is explained. Thank you.